Digging into the post section, let's choose Add New up top to author our first post. We'll start by giving the post a title. After moving on to the content field, we see permalink options for this post. By default, the permanent links for posts are pretty ugly, with a nondescript post ID. We want friendlier links with more meaningful information, such as the post title. Let's change this in the permalink settings. We'll say that the URLs for posts should be based on the post day and name. After we save these changes and return to our post, we see a much cleaner and easier to understand URL. This permalink setting will take effect for all your posts and can be updated under Settings. Moving on, let's get to the content of the post. When writing out your posts, you can either do it in the Visual Mode tab, which gives you a What You See is What You Get editor, or you can switch to the text mode to write your post with HTML code. As you're working on your post, you can click Preview to see how it'll look on your site. When you're ready for the world to see your post, though, you'll want to publish it. When publishing, the scheduler feature can come in handy. For example, if you were authoring a post on a Saturday night, you might choose to wait until Monday morning to go live with it. Alternatively, you can leave it to the default setting, which is to post immediately. Moving down, we've got format options, which lets you get more specific about the kind of content you're posting if it's not just a traditional text-centric blog post. If one of these formats is appropriate for the kind of content you're creating, go ahead and set it. What the format option actually does depends on the theme you're using. Some themes will go all out in styling different post types in different ways. In other themes, you may not see much of a difference with the different post types. The categories and tags boxes are pretty straightforward, so let's skip to the featured image. Featured image lets you upload a main image to represent this post. Like post types, this is also something that will be used differently depending on your theme. For example, in the 2014 theme, if you upload a feature image, you'll see it at the top of your post. This is something that not every theme will do. Featured images aren't required, but they're useful if you end up choosing a theme that takes advantage of them.